Alright, hey guys. So, this video is inspired by Coop. I'm putting my camera in my hand, that's why it's shaky. And I'm going to be shooting down cups. I have 72 cups set up right now. I have a few single targets, some big targets, and some small targets. I'll be using my personal Strife with a 12-round mag loaded with Koosh and then one Tracer Elite Dart. And then some tactical little things like a light and a foregrip. And I have two more 12-round mags and an 18-round mag. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, I'll be standing back here. This is about maybe 10 feet away from the closest target. And go. Maybe I should move my mags closer to me. Can't hit anything today. Oh, that's an empty mag. Alright, my two 18s. Last mag. There we go. And yeah, that's that ammo. Huh. So yeah, that's how accurate a Strife is. Alright.